Namaste, dear students. Today I am going to teach you for first year BA and BCom first semester unit number 14. This is Sandhi Prakaranam. This is about Sandhis, joining and disjoining, and little bit of explanation about the Sandhi rules also. Sandhi Prakaranam. Sandhi is the extreme contiguity of letters when a vowel letter comes after a vowel letter, a consonant letter comes after a consonant letter, a vowel or a consonant letter comes after the visarga, they become one by immediate contact. Thus, the act of becoming one is called a sandhi, that is joining. In Sanskrit, the following three important kinds of sandhis are there. There are three varieties. First one is ach sandhi or the sandhi of vowels. Second one, hal sandhi, the sandhi of consonants. Third one, visarga sandhi. And what all the changes will take place in visargas. First one, swara sandhis or sandhis of vowels. In the first category, in swara sandhi, when a vowel comes after a vowel, they join together and these are called swara sandhis. There are 8 important kinds in it. First one, savarina dirgha sandhi. In front of the short or long vowels a, e, u, ru, if a short or long vowel of a, e, u and ru comes respectively, then a long vowel will substitute them both, means replace. For example, a plus a is equal to a, or a plus a is also equal to a, or a plus a is also equal to a, or if they are both long vowels, a plus a is also equal to a. It is the same with e and u and ru also. Simultaneously, e only dirgha only replaces, and u dirgha only comes, and then ru only comes in the sandhi as the adesha. For examples, daitya plus arihi equals daityarihi. In daitya, at the end of the first word, short akara a is there, and in the second word beginning also short vowel a is only there. So a plus a. So daityarihi came. Like this you please observe basing on the pronunciation. When I pronounce the words, first word and second word and the ultimately the answer. Okay. Second example, deva plus alayaha. Devalayaha, hima plus alayaha, himalayaha, rama plus aha, ramaha, rama plus adeshaha, ramadeshaha, kavi plus ishaha, kavishaha, raghu plus uttamaha, raghutamaha, mama plus agrajaha, mamagrajaha, pitru plus runam, pitrunam, matru plus runam, matrunam, bhratru plus runam, bhratrunam, etc. The second variety is guna sandhi, when short vowel a and long vowel a is followed by e and e, then the vowel a takes the place of both. And when short vowel a and a is followed by short vowel u and long vowel u, then the vowel o takes the place of both. And then when short vowel a and long vowel a is followed by ru and ru, then the vowel a followed by half ra, that is ar, takes the place of both. So in Sanskrit we call a, o and ar as gunas. That's why this sandhi is called as guna sandhi. For example, gana plus indraha, ganendraha, gana plus ishaha, ganeshaha, indira plus ishaha equals indireshaha, mama plus upari equals mamopari, ganga plus udakam, gangodakam, chandra plus udayaha, chandrodayaha, nara plus ishaha, nareshaha, rama plus uvacha, ramovacha, hemanta plus rutuhu, hemantartuhu, grishma plus rutuhu, grishmartuhu, raja plus rushihi, rajarshihi, brahma plus rushihi, brahmarshihi, maha plus rushihi, maharshihi, etc. Third variety is vruddhi sandhi. When short vowel a and long vowel a is followed by a and I, then the vowel I, and when a and a is followed by o and au, then the vowel au takes the place of both respectively. Also, when a upasarga ending with the vowel a is followed by a root beginning with ru is substituted in place of both. For example, mama plus eva, mamaiva, mata plus aikyam, mataikyam, tadha plus eshaha, tadhaishaha, Krishna plus ekatvam, krishnaikatvam, Sita plus eva, sitaiva, Ganga plus oghaha, gangaughaha, Vana plus aushadham, vanaushadham, Divya plus aishwaryam, divyaishwaryam, Jana plus ekata, janaikata, pra plus ruchyati, prarchyati, upa plus ruchyati, uparchyati, maha plus oshadhihi, mahaushadhihi, kasya plus ete, kasyaite, tava plus audaryam, tavaudaryam, etc. The fourth category, yan sandhihi. When e, u, ru and short or long vowels, if they are followed by a dissimilar vowel, means which is not similar vowel, in order y, v, r and l are respectively substituted for them. For example, kati plus atra, katyatra, iti plus uktam, ityuktam, iti plus uvacha, ityuvacha, ati plus antaha, atyantaha, dadhi plus odanam, dadhyodanam, keshu plus api, keshvapi, madhu plus arihi, madhvarihi, matru plus ajna, matrajna, dhatru plus adihi dhatradihi, lru plus akaraha lakaraha, etc. Next sandhi, yantadesha vantadesha sandhi. A, O, I and OU when followed by a vowel are changed to I, OU, I and OW respectively. Agneya plus idam, agna idam. These are the examples. Hare plus iti, hara iti. Hare plus ye, haraye. Vishnu plus a, vishnave. Sitayai plus idam, sitaya idam. Asau plus adityaha, asavadityaha. Kau plus etau, kavetau, etc. Next sandhi, the sixth one is Purva Rupa Sandhi. The rule is when A or O at the end of a word is followed by short vowel A and the later merges into the former. That is, only A and O remains. For example, Hare plus Ava, Hareva. Vane plus Asmin, Vanesmin. Chitte plus Astu, Chittestu. Namo plus Astu, Namostu. So plus Aham, Soham, etc. Here, Avagraha Chinha symbol like English letter S will come replacing the short vowel A. That you have to remember. Seventh one in At Sandhi category is Pararupa Sandhi. When a upasarga ending in A is followed by roots beginning with A or O, then A and O is substituted for the former one. For example, pra plus ejate, prejate. Upa plus opati, oshati, uposhati.
But repeat ಮಾಡಿ.
Start.
For example, pra plus ejate, prejate. Upa plus oshati, uposhati, etc. The last one in this At Sandhi category, eighth one, Prakriti Bhava Sandhi. The rule is, even when there is a reason to become a Sandhi, if the Sandhi is not formed, it is called Prakriti Bhava Sandhi. When Pluta and Pragrihya are followed by vowel letters, the Prakriti Bhava Sandhi occurs. For example, for Plutas, Agaccha Krishna, A plus A is called like that, it will be too long. That is called Plutasvara. Atra Gauschati. Agaccha Hare, if it is a Pluta, plus Atra Bhaktihi Asti, then Prakriti Bhava Sandhi means it remains the same. And example for Pragrihyas, Kavi plus Etau, and the form will be the same. Kavi Etau. Shambhu plus Imau, Shambhu Imau. Gange plus Amu equals Gange Amu. And then Kanye plus Ete equals Kanye Ete, etc. Now we have completed At Sandhi category, that is the first category. We are going to the second category, Hal Sandhi. the sandhi of consonants. Hal sandhayaha. First one is Shutva sandhi. When s, half sa, or a consonant of the dental class dantyaha, tu, comes in contact with sh, or a consonant of the palatal, that is chu class, the corresponding letter of the later class is substituted for the former one and sh will come replacing su. For example, Ramas, last letter is su, please observe, and then plus second word is beginning with sha, that is shete equals Ramashete. Sa is replaced by sha. Kas plus chit equals kaschit. Sat plus chit satchit. Sat plus chidanandaha satchidanandaha. Suhrit plus janaha suhritjanaha. Tat plus shariram tatshariram. Jagat plus chinta jagatchinta, etc. The second one in Hal Sandhi category, Shtutva Sandhi. When the s or a consonant of a dental class, that is tu, comes in contact with a shu or a consonant of the lingual class, that is tu, the corresponding letter of the later class is substituted for the former one and shu will replace su. For example, Ramas plus shashtaha, Ramashashtaha. Here, if you observe, sa is replaced by sha. Pesh plus ta, peshta. Tat plus tika, tattika. Sat plus tippani, sattippani. Haris plus tikate, harishtikate, etc. And the third sandhi in Hal Sandhi Prakarana is Jastva Sandhi. The first letter of each class, ku, chu, tu, pu, means kachatatapa, is followed by consonants or vowels except for the first two letters of a class and the su, shu and su. Then the third letter of the respective class, that is the varna, are substituted for and they will become as ga, ja, da, da, ba. Here, if you understand, in an easier way, ka, cha, ta, ta, pa letters will be replaced by ga, ja, da, da, ba. So, ka is the first letter in ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. If you observe, first one is ka and that is replaced by ga. So, in the order, ka, cha, ta, ta, pa will be replaced by ga, ja, da, da, ba. First letters are replaced by third letters in the same class. For example, Vak plus Gatihi, Vak Gatihi, Vak plus Devi, Vak Devi, Vak plus Danam, Vak Danam, Dik plus Gajaha, Dik Gajaha, Yat plus Yetat, Yedetat, Etat plus Anantaram, Etad Anantaram, Vak plus Ishaha, Vagishaha, Ach plus Antaha, Ajantaha, Sup plus Vibhaktihi, Subvibhaktihi, etc. Next sandhi, fourth one is Anunasika Sandhi. The consonant letter of a class at the end of a word is followed by a nasal. The nasals of that particular class is substituted optionally. If you observe ka, kha, ga, gha, nga, if there are the letters 5, what is the first letter? Ka. And what is the last one? Nga. So like this, you have to observe the nasal letters. Then you will understand the sandhi easily. For example, etat plus murarihi, etan murarihi. In Tavarga group, ta, tha, da, dha, na, in the 5 letters, ta is the first letter, na is the last letter. So in etat plus murarihi, murari there is no change and ta is replaced by na. So the answer is etan murarihi. Va plus moolam, vang moolam. Rat plus mumocha, ran mumocha. Jagat plus nivasaha, jagan nivasaha. In the same one more sandhi variety is there here. If you observe, when the first consonant of a class is followed by affix beginning a nasal, the nasal of the class comes invariably. For example, tavat plus matram, tavan matram, chit plus mayam, chin mayam, chit plus matram, chin matram, etc. The fifth sandhi in Halasandhi Prakarana is Chartva Sandhi. The consonants of class is followed by a Karkasha letter, is a Karkasha Vyanjana, except the nasals, those are Anunasika Varnaha. The first letter of that particular class is substituted. Let us see the examples now. Vag plus Patihi, Vag Patihi, Dig plus Palaha, Dig Palaha, Asmad plus Putraha, Asmat Putraha, Samrad plus Vrajati, Samrat Vrajati, Asmad plus Kumari, Asmat Kumari, etc. Sixth sandhi is Anuswara Sandhi. M at the end of a word, that is half ma, is changed into a Anuswara when followed by a consonant. Let us see what will happen. For example, Shivas plus Vande, Shivam Vande. Gurum. For example, Shivam plus Vande, Shivam Vande. In the place of half makara, we put the Anuswara, the dot on top of that letter. That is Shivam. Shi, Va, and on top of Va, Anuswara we put, so Shivam Vande. Gurum plus Namati, Gurum Namati. Kamalam plus Likhati, Kamalam Likhati. Dharmam plus Chara, Dharman Chara, etc. Seventh sandhi, Parasavarna Sandhi. When an Anuswara which is not in the end of word is followed by Ya, Va, Ra, La, Inya, Ma, Nga, Na, Na, Jha, Bha, Gha, Dha, Dha, Ja, Ba, Ga, Da, Da, Kha, Pha, Cha, Tha, Tha, Cha, Ta, Ta, Ka, Pa consonants of that class is changed to the nasal of that class to which the following letter belongs. For example, A on top of that letter Anuswara, plus Kitaha, Ankitaha. So, what is the last letter in Kavarga? Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. So, this Nga will come as Adesha. So, plus Kitaha will become Ankitaha. Plus Chitaha, Anchitaha. Here Inya will come. So, Anchitaha. Sham plus Taha, Shantaha. Na comes here. Pam plus Ditaha, Panditaha. Na will come here. Panditaha. Kam plus Pate, Kampate. Ma comes here. Kampate, etc. Eighth one is now Visarga Sandhi. When a Visarga is followed by vowel or a consonant, the Visarga gets changed. This is the Visarga Sandhi. This change occurs in the following ways. The Visarga, one is dropped, means disappears, that is called Lopa, Visarga Lopa Sandhi. Changes into Ra, that is Rephadesha Visarga Sandhi. Changes into the first one to U and then to O, that is Utva Visarga Sandhi, then changes into Sa, that is Satva Visarga Sandhi. Now first let us see the Visarga Lopa Sandhi. When the Visarga is after the A and is followed by any vowel letter except A, the Visarga gets dropped or disappears. For example, Shivaha plus Agachati, Shiva Agachati. Purushaha plus Eva, Purusha Eva. And then the next category of examples and the rule, when the Visarga is after the A and when it is followed by a vowel or a soft consonant or Mrudu Vyanjana, the Visarga gets dropped or vanishes. Let us see the examples now. Devaha plus Api, Deva Api. Khagaha plus Api, Khaga Api. Etaha plus Vahanti, Eta Vahanti. Lalanaha plus Gachanti, Lalana Gachanti. Shukaha plus Vadanti, Shuka Vadanti, etc. And the next one, when the Visarga is after the Etad and Tad words and when it is followed by any other letter other than Hrasva Akara, the Visarga is dropped or disappears. For example, Eshaha plus Vadati equals Esha Vadati. Saha plus Vadati equals Sa Vadati. Eshaha plus Bhanati equals Esha Bhanati, etc. And the second variety, the Visarga changing into Ra, that is Rephadesha Visarga Sandhi. In this first one, the Visarga after the vowels except A and when it is followed by vowels or soft consonants or Mrudu Vyanjanas, the Visarga changes into Rakara, R. Let us see the examples. Taruhu plus Atra, Taruratra. Kavihi plus Jayati, Kavir Jayati. Guruhu plus Eshaha, Guru Reshaha. Bhanuhu plus Udeti, Bhanu Rudeti. Taihi plus Vrutam, Tair Vrutam, etc. And the next variety, the Visarga after the Hrasvakara of an indeclinable Avyaya and when it is followed by vowel or a consonant, it changes into Rakara, R. For example, Prataha plus Atra, Prataratra. Punaha plus Eva, Punareva. Swaha plus Gacchati, Swar Gacchati. Punaha plus Idam, Punaridam. Prataha plus Uvacha, Prataruvacha, etc. Third variety, the Visarga changes into Ukara, Utva or Ukaradesha Visarga Sandhi. When the Visarga after the short Akara, that is Hrasva Akara, is followed by short A or a Mrudu Vyanjana, soft consonant, is changes into Ukara. Then A and U together will become O. So how we understood in Gunasandhi examples, so that Okara will come. If there is accent, the Purva Rupa Sandhi comes. Keshavaha plus Api, it will be changing into Keshava plus U plus Api. So the output will be Keshavopi with Avagraha Chinha symbol like in Purva Rupa Sandhi. Janaha plus Gacchati, Jano Gacchati. Shivaha plus Vadati, Shivo Vadati. Manaha plus Yati, Mano Yati, etc. The fourth variety, the Visarga changes into Sakara, that is Sattva or Sakaradesha Visarga Sandhi. When the Visarga is followed by Karkasha Varna, Karkasha Vyanjana, and the Ushma Varna of the same Karkasha Varna is substituted Su, Shu, Su, Hu, and are the Ushma Varnas if we observe. Karkasha Varna is substituted and Su, Sha, Sa, Ha are the Ushma Varnas. For example, Ramaha plus Tarati, Ramas Tarati. Purnaha plus Chandraha, Purnas Chandraha. Shivaha plus Trata, Shivas Trata. Kaha plus Chit will become Kas plus Chit, and then Shutva Sandhi is applicable here, so the output will be Kaschit. Next example, Bhaktaha plus Cha, Bhaktas plus Cha, and then Shutva Sandhi is applicable here, so the output will be Bhaktascha, etc. And the next variety, when Sha, Sha, Sa letters comes after the Visarga. Visarga is substituted optionally. When Visarga does not come, then Su is substituted. Harihi plus Shete, Harihi Shete or Harishete. Sa is replaced by Sha, Harishete. Ramaha plus Shashtaha, Ramaha Shashtaha, or if Sha replaces then Ramashashtaha. Bhaktaha plus Sevate, Bhaktaha Sevate, or Sa replaces, so then Bhakta Sevate, etc. The fifth variety, the Visarga changes into Jihva Muliya. When Ka and Kha are after the Visarga, it gets a substitute Jihva Muliyam. Before Ka and Kha, Ardha Visargas, let us see. Kaha plus Karoti, Kah Karoti. Sevakaha plus Khanati, Sevakah Khanati. Kaha plus Kridati, Kah Kridati. Only we don't pronounce Kaha Kridati like that, not full Visarga, only half Visarga, etc. The sixth variety, the Visarga changes into Upadhmaniya. When the Visarga is followed by Pa and Pa, it is substituted with the Upadhmaniyam. That is, before Pa and Pa, half Visargas, Ardha Visargas. Payaha plus Pibati, Payah Pibati. Taruhu plus Phalati, Tar Phalati, etc. We don't pronounce full Visarga like Payaha Pibati, we say it as Payah Pibati, like that. The seventh one, some other occasions where Visarga Sandhi is formed. Let us see. The Visarga of a word which is not an indeclinable with the affixes Pasha, Kalpa, Ka and Kamya is substituted by Sa. Payaha plus Pasham, Payas Pasham. Yashaha plus Kalpam, Yashas Kalpam. Yashaha plus Kam, Yashas Kam. Yashaha plus Kamyati, Yashas Kamyati, etc. The next variety, the Visarga which has a Karkash Varna after it, and if the Karkash Varna is followed by Sha, Sha and Sa, that Visarga will not be altered or changed. For example, Kaha plus Saru, Kassaruhu. Ramaha plus Kshamyati, Ramah Kshamyati. Ramaha Kshamyati, etc. And that Visarga which is not connected to an affix has E or U preceding to its when and then Sha is substituted for the Visarga. Avihi plus Karoti, Avishkaroti. Avihi plus Krutaha, Avishkrutaha. Duhu plus Krutam, Dushkrutam. Bahihi plus Krutam, Bahishkrutam, etc. And the next variety, the Visarga after the words Puras, Namas, which are Gati, that is Gati Samjna, Gati Samjna. When followed by the ku, kavarga is substituted with s, sakara. Example, namaha plus krutya, namaskrutya. Puraha plus krutya, puraskrutya. And the third variety, when a visarga after a vowel is changed to ra and again followed by ru, the preceding r is dropped or lopa. Then the preceding short akara, ikara and ukara, these letters of the dropped letter r becomes long, means dirgha will come. Punaha ramate, punar ramate. Puna plus ramate equals puna ramate. This is the output. Likewise, harihi plus ramyaha. Last output will be after those two steps. In the previous example we have observed now. Like that, hari ramyaha will be the answer. Shambhuhu plus rajate, shambhu rajate. Shishuhu plus ramate, shishu ramate, etc. Here we have completed what sandhis we have for this semester, and let us see the exercises. Answer the following questions. What is a sandhi? How many kinds of sandhis are there? What is a swara sandhi? What is a hal sandhi? What is a visarga sandhi? And then, next exercise, explain with illustration the rules of the following sandhis. Savarna dirgha sandhi, yantadesha vantadesha sandhi, pararupa sandhi, stutva sandhi, chatva sandhi, anunasika sandhi, vruddhi sandhi, stutva sandhi, prakriti bhava sandhi and end sandhi. To join some sandhis they gave, for example, api plus idam, so you have to write like api idam, sadhu plus uchyate, and then deva plus rushihi, tasya plus ete, etc. they will give and you have to join and write. Next exercise, join the sandhis and name them. Api plus idam, api idam. Deva plus Rishihi, Devarshihi. So you have to write like this. For other examples, let us see. Mama plus Audaryam, Mamaudaryam. Vishnu plus Ava, Vishnova. Vasanta plus Rutuhu, Vasantartuhu. Maha plus Urmihi, Mahormihi, etc. You have to join and write the answers for the given examples. And in the same way, fifth exercise, they will ask you to split the sandhis and write. For example, Nariva, Nari plus Yuva, you have to write. Pitrunam, Pitru plus Runam, you have to write. Swadu plus Udakam, Swadudakam. They will ask you, you have to split and write like this. For other examples also. And then, sixth exercise, write an essay on the swara sandhis. Write an essay on the hal sandhis. Write a note on the visarga sandhis. They can ask you like this. And they may ask you, in the ninth exercise like this, fill up the blanks. For example, the extreme contiguity of letters is called dash. When the letters E come after the A letters, dash letters are substituted. So if you listen to the lesson properly and understand, you will be able to answer the examples given here. And in the 10th exercise, they will ask you to write the match the following. So Pushpai Rapi. In the left hand side, they will give the words, and right hand side, sandhi names they will give. You have to do the matching. For example, Pushpai Rapi is Vruddhi Sandhi, Diggajaha Jatva Sandhi, Tattika Shtutva Sandhi, Etan Murarihi Anunasika Sandhi, Khalvidam End Sandhi, Kavishaha Savana Dirgha Sandhi, Rameshaha Guna Sandhi, नमोस्तु पूर्वरूप संधि प्रेजते पररूप संधि प्रातरत्र विसर्ग संधि. So we have to do the matching like this. Thank you dear students. I hope you understood the chapter well, and please answer the questions, understand well, and let us meet again in the next lesson. Thank you.